Good morning children. Today CS lesson 2. Already we finished the first lesson. What is computer? Difference between human and computers, and how to on the computer, how to turning off the computer. Everything is finished. Okay. Now we are going to learn different parts of computer. Already last week you learned the intro for this lesson. Parts of computer. Our human body have many parts, ears, nose, that is etc. The computer has many parts that is important for monitor, speaker, keyboard, mouse, CPU and UPS, everything. Okay. And peripheral device. Now your lesson is what are peripheral devices that is connected. Already first video I told you. Okay, and three categories the separated: input devices, output devices and storage devices. Input devices na you can enter and data, instruction, everything give to computer. Enter with the machines also, that is keyboard. You can enter the keyboard, text, everything and goes to computer. You saw the monitor. Keyboard is the most commonly used input device. It used to enter text into the computer. You can press the keys on the keyboard to type numbers and symbols. Everything include the keyboard. On standard keyboard, there are 104 keys. Every keys on standard keyboard la 104 keys. Okay. Mouse is also another one input device. Input device, you can select items and open and draw the pictures. Everything, you play games. These are used by mouse, and this mouse is attached to CPU with a long wire la ida attach pannirpaanga. Okay, this is also input device. Keyboard input device and mouse also input device. Next one, joystick and gamepad. These also look like a mouse on the work which are used to control the movement of an object or on the screen la and the movement control பண்றது இதோட work. That is this one, joystick and gamepad. Gamepad is a type of game controller held with two hands. You can use two hands and play the game. That is this one. And the stylus, it's look like a pen. See this? You can write the monitor screen. You can write and select everything. You can use this stylus. Stylus is another pointing type input device. It's a pen shaped device which can be used for drawing directly on the monitor screen. Monitor screen you can directly draw it. Okay, that is stylus. What are the input device? Next one, scanner. The scanner reads the image and saves it in the computer as a file. See this? This is a scanner. So input devices are keyboard, mouse, joystick, gamepad, stylus, scanner. Okay, you can enter everything. You can use this machine. And next one, output device. You can enter everything. How to get output? You can see the monitor. That is monitor. That output device. And printer. You can enter text. You how to get the output? Printer valiya you can get the printout. Okay. This is the most common output device. A computer monitor is an electronic device that shows pictures for computers. It looks like a TV. And it's also known as a VDU. That is Visual Display Unit. What is it? Visual Display Unit. Monitor la இப்படி சொல்லணும். அத டிஸ்ப்ளேல நம்ம பார்க்கறோம்ல, that is this. Printer is an important output device of the computer system. It gives a printed output of the results that appears on the monitor. Monitor என்ன வந்திருக்கோ monitor screenல, that is you can get the output from computer. With the paper la vandrum. The printed copy of information from a computer is called hard copy. Okay, that is called a hard copy. Storage device. Storage means you can know well. That is store பண்ணி வைக்கிறோம் சொல்றது. That is save. Save பண்ணி வைக்கிறோம். இப்போ enter பண்ணது songs, videos, audios, anything important documents, everything you can store this device. That is hard disk, pen drive, DVD. Hard disk is one of the most important storage device. It is permanently connected with the CPU. CPU குள்ளேயே தான் இந்த hard disk இருக்கும். பெர்மனண்டா இருக்கும். உள்ளேயே நிரந்தரமா வச்சிருப்பாங்க. அதுல ஸ்டோர் ஆகி இருக்கும். ஓகே. All informations we save in a computer will be stored in a hard disk. Hard diskல இருக்கும். This is pen drive. Pen drive is one of the most common storage device nowadays. இப்போ இருக்க சூழ்நிலையில நம்ம எல்லாரும் இது யூஸ் பண்றோம். ஓகே, இது ஈஸியா இருக்கு எடுத்துட்டு போறதுக்கு, யூஸ் பண்றது very easy. There are very small and easy to use. There are also called flash drives. இதுக்கு நேம் என்ன? Flash drives சொல்றாங்க. That is save பண்ணி வைக்கிறோம்லடா, that is name. Pen drive, another name is what is it? Flash drives. DVD. DVD is another common type of storage device. It uses lasers and lights for reading and writing data. You can see that one. This is a DVD. Okay, these are the peripheral devices. That is 3 types. What is it? Input device, output device, and storage device. Input devices are keyboard, mouse, joystick, gamepad, stylus, scanner. Output devices is monitor, printer. Storage is hard disk, pen drive, DVD. Okay, this is a second lesson. Okay children, watch and learn. Thank you.